The eyes are among the most vital organs, enabling us to experience and interact with the world. However, many people, including those in Kenya, face challenges from eye conditions like optic nerve atrophy, ONA, retinitis pigmentosa, and glaucoma. What if there was a way to restore vision and improve lives? Stem cell therapy is transforming how we treat eye diseases. At Stem Cell Care India, we specialize in innovative treatments for various conditions. Stem cells are unique, capable of regenerating damaged tissues and transforming into the specific cells needed to restore sight. This therapy harnesses the body's natural healing ability to offer solutions for conditions once considered untreatable. These include optic nerve atrophy, ONA, age-related macular degeneration, retinitis pigmentosa, optic nerve hypoplasia, optic neuropathy, eye injuries, retinopathy, glaucoma, retinal detachment, and septo-optic dysplasia. Stem Cell Care India brings hope to Kenyan patients by providing internationally accredited, high-quality treatments at affordable costs. Our expert doctors and surgeons use advanced technology to deliver the best outcomes. We understand traveling for medical care can be overwhelming. That's why we assign every international patient a dedicated guest relation officer to assist with hospital registration, appointments, and follow-up care. Our services include visa assistance, airport pickup, detailed cost estimates, accommodation arrangements, transportation, and even special dietary accommodations. We ensure a smooth and comfortable experience for every patient, making you feel at home throughout your journey. Let us help restore your vision and transform your life. Take the first step toward better vision. Contact Stem Cell Care India today and begin your healing journey.